Hi everyone, once again welcome back to my channel. I hope you people are doing good. So in our previous video we have seen how to prepare for UPSC CSE 2025. We have also seen how to cover NCRTs in 100 days. We have seen how to decode syllabus for UPSC and also how to manage time for UPSC being an working professional. So in this video I'll clearly explain you how to choose optional and what are the things that I have done for choosing optional subject. So generally before we choose optional, we have to know the trend that is going on in optional subjects. That is, we have to understand what is the success rate of each and every optional. This is because without knowing the trend analysis, if we choose an optional, that may have an worst effect on our mains overall score. So in order to get good marks in mains and in order to get at least 300 to 350 marks in optional, first we have to understand the trend that is going on in optional subjects. So previously aspirants used to take psychology as an optional, and after that the trend has shifted to public administration, anthropology, sociology, like that. So after understanding the trend, we have to know our interest, like what are the subject we have interested. So when I was ready to choose optional, so I took 5 subjects that I had interest, and out of that 5 subjects I chose one. So for that what I did is I took 5 subjects and I started understanding the basics of all the subjects. So when I started reading it, in whichever subject I felt bored, like whichever subject I had lack of interest, I left that, and I took one optional that I had more interest. So in the same way, choose subjects that you have interest, and after that you have to know your ability, like you have to know what suits you well. You have to know whether you are good at writing skills or not. So if you are good at writing skills and you are going to take political science or sociology or public administration as your optional, then that is good choice for you. If you feel that your writing skills are not good, then you can go to optional subjects which have scope for diagrammatic representations. So for after you know your interest and after you know your own ability, like after you know what you are good at, then as I told, start reading from beginning. So when you start reading from basics of the subjects that you have chosen, then you will understand at which subject you are interested, and you have to continue with that subject. And after that, after you have chosen perfectly, then you have to see what is common with your optional and GS papers. So this is because you can save your time and you can get more time for your revision. So if you have chosen sociology as your optional, then sociology can be overlapped with GS paper 1, essay, and some part of ethics. Otherwise, if you have taken law as your optional, this can be helpful in GS paper 2. Or if you have taken history as your optional, this can be helpful in GS paper 1 and prelims. So in that way, see what is common in your optional with GS papers. After that, you have to see whether there is availability of coaching for whatever option you have taken. You have to see whether mock tests are available. You have to see the availability of book list, the availability of books and coaching institute materials for the option that you have chosen. If at all everything is good and everything is under your control, then the immediate thing is you have to start preparing for that optional immediately along with GS paper. And also you have to finish 70 to 80% of your optional and answer writing before prelims itself. And after that, as I told, I took 5 subjects, and after out of that 5 subjects, after understanding the basics, I have chosen one. In the same way, if you have chosen some subjects and out of that pick one and see what are the parameters I have told, see all those things, and if you are okay with that and if everything is under control, then you can proceed with that. So I think this is helpful for you, and for to do all these things it takes nearly 15 to 20 days because as I told, optional plays an important role in mains. Don't worry, take your own time. Some people may take 1 month also, it's okay. Take your own time, and when you are choosing your optional, be very careful. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment sections below. And if you don't know anything about UPSC preparation, if you ask me, I'll definitely make a video on that. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.